It's not really easy accepting the death of a loved one. Hi guys, welcome back to Amo Vibes TV. It's your girl Blessing here with another update for you guys. It's a sad one here. So our favorite actress Nkechi Blessing Sunday lost her mother some few months ago, and she laid her mother to rest today. Mrs. Gloria Obasi Sunday was laid to rest today, and in the funeral we had the likes of Tony Abraham, we had Pretty Mike of Lagos, and Iyabo Ojo. They were all there to show her they love her, they were there to support her. It's not really easy losing a loved one that is really close to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share a comment below.
Anyone? You will never share your glory with anyone. Almighty Lord, that is your name.
If I don't give thanks to your name, I must be a fool. You will never share your glory. Oh, nobody was here. Somebody from your place that comes from so close. Okay. Are you finished? It was one of your not me. I don't even know how to open it.
I love you, Baba. I'm sure you can hear me.
She can hear you.
She can hear you.
Yeah,
It's not easy accepting the death of a loved one. For those of us that has actually experienced this, we actually know what Nkechi Blessing is feeling right now, and all she needs is prayers. She's really devastated. It's not easy. It's really not easy. And we pray that may her mother's soul rest in the bosom of the Lord. Please drop your prayers below in the comment section to show your support, to show your love, to show your care. All she needs right now is nothing but prayers. Thank you guys.
Today I don't try. Gas me up, no time, no time. Oh wow, I'm turning, I don't know why. Oh wow, this song, this song. I was about your money, only something so. If you got my best money, bro. Oh, we got to know, we gotta know. I guess I don't know that it's you. You know tomorrow.
If you watch my video up until this moment, I'm super grateful to you guys for finding out time to watch my video. Now I would say Toyin Abraham is the true definition of a good friend. She's a true definition of a good colleague. Even with the heavyweight pro, she was out there to support Nkechi Blessing, to show Nkechi Blessing that I am here to love you, I am here to support you. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification icon, share a comment below. Don't forget to drop your prayers below in the comment section. See you guys on my next video.